I see. You want to detach the front screen and the front screen bracket. You could choose this. The file, open the file, and see. Go back. You see, and go back, In this sheet, you could see the join and the Chinese text. It means screen, front screen, and this is the bracket, and this is the bracket join. Let's see. This is so many iPhone models for catch the screen, but the size is not correct. So we do not suggest to choose the model of this. Go back, and this. This is the bracket for iPhone models. We also don't suggest to use the document to start to detach the bracket. Then we click go back. Okay, we just click here, and then we could establish a new frame to detach the screen, including the iPhone screen bracket as well. You see, click this rectangle and click the here, and the rectangle appear as you see, and here the speed we choose 5,000. Yes, 5,000, and the power is, power is 15%, and as you see, until this, and the width is about 160, and the height is about 60. Sorry. It's so small, but we could manually adjust the size as you see, and then we click this to center. See. Okay, and then click the view, and click here, enable, and view type. Let's open this and choose the bold, and then the spacing is 0.05, and close as you see. Then we must click here, infrared preview. Yes, see the red line is appear. See, we could manually adjust the size. We must make sure the infrared is bigger than the screen. Then it will working. We could adjust the size more bigger, and then click here. See. Oh, it's so big. we can adjust. See, and smaller, adjust to smaller. Yes, and then wow, it's good, right? And then finally, oh no, we must autofocus first. Autofocus, right? I forgot to operate. When we start to the machine, we must autofocus the machine. When all the operation is finished, finally we could start. Click here, and the machine will start to work to detach the screen and the bracket. That's all.